So I'm working on my 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ, and I've got some cooling system stuff to fix. I'm going to replace the water pump. But the first thing I've got to do is get this electric fan out of the way. You can see I've pulled it up out of the way, but removing this, disconnecting this connector it's actually a pain if you don't know what you're doing. So in this video I'll show you the 2 steps you need to do that make it really easy to separate the 2 sides of the connector. Okay, so to release the connector, the first thing you have to do is you have to slide this orange little safety latch over. So I've slid that over. And then the last thing you have to do is there is a rocker on this end here. You have to press down on that rocker. And it's hard to tell, but it just flexes a little bit this direction and unlatches. So when I press on this, it just lifts up, comes off of these notches, and allows you to pull it apart. And that's it. It's really easy if you know what to do. If you don't, you're going to struggle. You're going to cuss and swear. You're going to probably stick a screwdriver under this and try and pry it up. But what you really want to do is slide this out of the way, push this down, and then it comes apart really easily. So I hope that helps you with your Jeep Cherokee, and I hope you'll leave some comments, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.